Is your iPhone showing something went wrong problem in YouTube? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and fix this. Open settings on your device first and then tap on the Wi-Fi you were connected to and make sure the Wi-Fi is in proper working condition. Also, go to cellular and then on cellular data options, and in voice and data make sure you are connected to 3G or above. Go back to settings homepage and turn on airplane mode at least for 60 seconds and then turn it off again. Next, open the App Store on your device and search for YouTube and make sure the device is up to date. Mine is showing open here, which means the device is up to date and does not require any update. If not, it would show update instead of open. Now go to settings again and then on general. Click on VPN and device management and make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Lastly, to fix this, what you can do is go back to general and then scroll and click on transfer or reset iPhone, then on reset and then on reset network settings. Enter your password and your YouTube application should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.